my channel. This gravy is for making tamarind rice. Mostly people love this tamarind rice. So I'm going to show how to make this gravy. Let's see the preparation. Take handful of tamarind or a cricket ball size. Then add water into it. Soak the tamarind until it turns like a paste. Approximately it will take about half an hour. In meantime, I am going to prepare masala for this gravy. Keep this aside. Then take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. In that, add 3 tablespoons of Bengal gram along with 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds and then 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. After that, 4 number of red chilies and 1 teaspoon of asafoetida. Fry this for approximately 1 minute or until it turns golden brown. This powder gives thickness to the gravy and also gives the aroma to the dish. Now it's almost completed. Allow this to cool and then make a powder of this. Don't grind like a fine powder. After completing this, keep it aside. Then it's time to extract the pulp from the tamarind. You can see the paste-like consistency. Mash the tamarind completely and extract the pulp like this. Then add approximately 500 ml of water into it. Keep it aside. Then next step is making gravy. For that we need 15 number of red chilies, sesame oil, mustard seeds, Bengal gram and black gram. Take a pan, add 8 to 10 tablespoons of sesame oil. Sesame oil is the best combination for this dish. After heating the oil, add 1 spoon of mustard seeds and then 1 tablespoon of Bengal gram, black gram and finally red chilies. Fry this for 30 seconds. After that, add the extracted pulp. I am directly filtering this pulp into the pan. If you are not able to do this, you can use any other vessel to filter the pulp and then add into the pan. Let it allow for boiling for about 15 minutes. Then only the tamarind will cook well. In this, we have to add salt and turmeric powder. Add salt according to your taste. I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder. The measurements that I was given could serve up to 15 persons. Close the lid and allow this to boil. After finishing the boiling step, add the masala powder into the pan. Only after completing the boiling step, then only you should add the masala powder into the pan. Now it's completed. The tamarind pulp cooked well. In this stage, add the masala powder into the pan. This powder gives the thickness to the gravy. At the same time, it gives aroma to the dish. After mixing the powder, close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Make sure there is no lumps in the gravy. After completing the 5 minutes, then keep the flame to the lower end and cook for 2 minutes. The slow cooking gives better taste to the dish. Don't overcook after adding the powder. Finally, completed all the cooking steps, Now it's time to switch off the flame. You can see the oil glaze on the top of the gravy. If you can see the oil on the top of the gravy, this means the gravy is completed. Now I'm going to transfer this into the bowl. You can use this for up to 15 to 20 days. You can store this in the refrigerator and you can consume this gravy. I will show how to mix this gravy into the rice. Take 1 cup of boiled rice and add 2 tablespoons of gravy and then little bit of oil, then mix it well. That's it. If you want, you can add fried groundnut also for garnishing. That's it. I hope you all love this recipe and give your feedback to this recipe, and thank you so much for watching my video.